He was prepared for that. He knew. What? Spot dodge there! Oh my god. Upper. 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 Yeah. Upper. My god, this character can literally do whatever he wants, bro. Yeah, 2 seconds. The LSI. Wire games 10 minutes here? Bro, I'm playing against Sonic. Not playing against Rat specifically. Are you actually doing that, Christian, bro? Bro. 2 stocks lead is not even enough for this matchup. Oh, the timer by itself. Because for the lessons that I do online, sometimes when I do explanation, I need those extra minutes. So I need like those extra minutes so I can tell people like in real life. So what they're lying, by the way.
2, 1, go!
Yeah, that forward march was really greedy. Fair. Upper. I don't know why I didn't get the upper, it was coming. Holy shit. I hate this character. Type B, yeah. Type B. Approach normally. Approach normally.